rushing to work this morning.
Okay.
But you see your time, it's a bit late because of the queue.
Okay.
And likewise to everyone who's chilling in the village,
Yeah.
is to all the mothers. They wake up early this morning. Some of them wake up at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock to prepare the food, prepare the breakfast, prepare the lunch to the students who go to school, and likewise to the father who go to the farm.
What comes before Q?
Q, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Q. Why are you laughing?
No.
Don't laugh.
Your
Look at me.
alphabetical era is working.
Oh, not working. It's alphabetic.
Hey, good morning to everyone joining this morning. It's a very a good day. It's a 10th of July.
Hello,
This,
Julie. Thank you so much for tuning in.
yeah, this morning, and I love to see you. Melda the Lebu, thank you very much. Have a
Yeah.
bless. Inside the van or anywhere, you see the air?
I see the wind.
It's become dark. Nandrak yana kortu ng limu ko suwa sa baka turun buto sartu ng go. The darkness is coming from the on top.
Cloudy period.
Yeah, it's cloudy period and it's dark. It's nearly rain,
Yeah.
but the sun is coming too. You see the sun?
Yes.
We look outside. We look. We see the. Rendah pasar nakata to Malaysia.
Yeah.
You look.
We look outside.
Yeah, we look outside.
Yeah.
Cloudy. Cloudy. Sunny. Come.
Hey, Karkal Sarisani, welcome to Bulbula to Melna Levu from Brisbane ALM69.
Yes.
No, sorry. Ndrena voice Tony Balu and
Don't
all the
bother.
passengers. Thank you so much for tuning in. Permander Singh.
Oh, Juluma.
Bulbula Permander Singh, thank you so much. Good morning from Leo and D. Have a safe Wednesday. Have a blessed from President Kofi Land team at President Plaza Samambula. Stay safe.
Right.
Samuel Apostolo Vulimatai.
Okay.
It's a good morning. Vambul takam tangorto nangoner to senre tu bitingoka.
Really?
Bulubul road navo. Hey Lani. Bulubina ka Lani and Rabina ka Babi. Good morning to Lewa. Good morning to Kachi. Rudy and Emerald. Stop dragging the tutubis.
Okay,
The
don't
blanket.
cover yourself with a blanket this time. Yeah, some of us will be pulling back the blanket. Because the weather is not conditionable to our organ. Because our body needs something to hotness.
Yeah.
We go somewhere, we go here, we go there. The sound itself and the wind itself cause us fridge.
You should, when it's fridge, you should lie down at night. Use the sulbakatonga. Sleep.
Good morning to everybody this morning, and not forgetting to all the drivers joining this morning. We love you all. Thank you very much for the cooperative during the initial movement of from point A to point B.
Hey, we say good morning to Nina Morel.
You know this one, Nina Morel? From where?
Nina Morel, tuning in from Auckland.
Auckland. She's from where?
From, I don't know.
She's from Wainunu. America Laylay.
Oh, Nina Morel.
Yeah, you must know.
No.
Kodi to ay net mula binaka and the family. And naikawalu Osis. Wano ni bilang korto na geng may makoy.
Yeah.
Naikawalu Osis and squad. Not forgetting Kajau. Silo si Enman tui sautoka. Thank you very much for movement from point A to point B. Tinay to Junior Carnivalu, Nina Morel, and the Jablek. Jablek, thank you very much for coming from staff of the CFL 40s.
Yeah.
You know Jablek? Are you and together down there and you sing a song?
The blue set.
Yeah, you go together.
Oh.
Tela Tawake, Esabarogo Suka, you and Pio together. Yeah, Jablek. Thank you very much.
Hey, no. Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Pena.
Pena.
Hey,
Lomba duri, lomba davo.
Lomba. Wala quest to O's and Pex. Hey, Pex just an raingew. Hey, binabalab sa Rex. Nasema tsukumai and mataka binanikuwa. So, maybe Jablek.
Oh.
Jablek. I know Jablek. Jablek.
You know Jablek and Jablek know you. So you know each other in a knowing system.
Because Jablek that night was with Pio.
Oh,
They
Tumpio.
were doing the playing.
Oh, Tumpio.
No Pio, it's Pio Meow.
Oh.
Yes.
Sera makita solo bimainandi nukula urangango. Woo, don't bulabinaka. kay Samu Phil Tubstui, Varada Memba, Amy Saunders. Thank you very much to all the drivers of different property of moving vehicle joining this morning. To the Nasibi Botkola, Joe Rovesu, thank you very much for joining this morning. And everyone is being part of the internet
in this morning. Likewise, to the Big Ita.
Who's the Big Ita?
Big Ita Tux nga Neps.
Kacau.
The fella from Ngau.
Oh.
Big Ita, when he eats.
He eats.
He don't remember to pray first.
Oh.
He always eats.
So where did you watching him?
No, I watch him in the internet.
Oh.
In the Chrome.
Yes. Very hard to find.
Yes.
Mata nitiki na may nerai. This to Manli Bosa Dolati, Nimbula Benaka Weka. Thank you very much. He's joining from Ba. From Ba. Mata nitiki na from Nairai. Thank you very much for being sustainable this morning. And also to Brett and the family Kirau sa Lolo Matuya ni Batake Taiga from Nakini or Rubeni. Thank you very much for joining this morning and wonderful day.
Hey, so okay, and to mention our story this morning.
Okay. This is a story. You know, we have some architects, some carpenters, some men, some women that they love to
irrigate the system.
Meron daw vitalay.
Oh yes.
They love to kick and chase.
To short kick, eh?
Meron daw talaleka. You know.
Kick and chase, eh?
Yeah, kick and chase. Too much kick and chase in the body cause.
It's fat.
Yeah.
Laziness.
Right.
But you're the boss.
Yeah. So he's a foreman.
He's
a foreman. On Friday, so they call the members, carpenters, please come forward. Today, after the building, after we build,
after the work,
you come, we will have the handkerchief of breaking.
Oh!
Gusinimbuno. Sweat for the handkerchief.
Ano man Jandri? Ano man Jandri?
Jandri ko ramusundo. Rani Bimayra. So joining this morning Senro Karu. Vanu ni binaka udeng grabe. Iskeli na bono. Vanu ni binaka this morning. So they was waiting. So the boss, the foreman, asked the boys, please drink wisely. Drinking using your head. Don't drinking using your eyes.
Yeah.
Your eyes. So they was there. And they asked themselves, okay, we drink. Till 9 p.m.
Why you said drinking using the eyes?
So we can tandang unu tungay matanda. And the same unu nandang wawoka. We use our head. Sometimes when we eat, hey, kana na misatar kita mo, don't kana may no eyes. You fool, and you still need this one. O nga robang ko, o nga robaya. You needing. You need. Yeah, you know.
You needy. Okay.
So that's will cause envelope.
Envelope ko
kila mo masa iko si Reno ubinakatsala mo lubato ng misuri, you know. You can live in a proper and emotional life.
Damage
la debe mostaki. Yeah. Ahoy! Napoleon ni Tambua mo mula na may sabu bunga telebu and the family. Ahoy! Happy belated birthday to you.
Cindy Rosie, sing.
Yeah. So they go. During the time in the afternoon, they drink, they finish at 4 a.m.
Oh.
But this one, not grog, not pigeon grog.
Oh.
Overseas grog.
What grog? Brother?
No, this one also rich. This one, overseas kona wa hindi kebi.
Oh, the alcohol.
Kalyo pa Petero. Where is Mikael Ngolombula?
Mikael Ngolombula is pancha.
He is pinching. Endo adulay ko ako puno na pancha. It's like a taya. When nail enter the taya, pancha. Same as this one. A nail enter, pancha. Yeah.
We should ask Dimple and Kaleva because they're drinking together.
All right. So they go. Egi ako na mula bila Kamaramatau, mula bila Kemu from Brisbane. So they went. When they went, they do the jobbing, foreman.
In the morning.
Iyo, matakalilay. Meda ni mugili mo.
Iyo.
Yeah. In the matakalilay. Oy, ili rawa yung bula binaka Dimple.
Yeah.
So when they go there, they asking them, Where's the boys? No, they sleep. They just finished at 4 a.m. this morning.
Oh.
They full class.
Man.
Here to mateni. So when they do the job, so the only person
Iyo.
who was absent during the next morning on Saturday is the son-in-law.
Son-in-law. Isa, belum mani.
The son-in-law. So the uncle was a carpenter. He is a carpenter. He is a foreman. He climbed on the V-shape of the house. Nanto ka ni bali daki? The V-shape of the house. He climbed on the V-shape of the house.
Iyo.
And he was calling. And
Beta.
can I have a hema?
Oh.
Au kaya man dan donate tuki.
Tatigi pun taleka.
Talaleka. You know, this one is very short breath.
Very fat, iyo.
Yeah. So going up, he gave the hammer. So he look on the side like this. Oh, I need a iwako.
Oh.
I need a nail. I need a nail.
Yeah.
I need a nail. So he come a nail.
Iya, same time. Iya.
When he
Iya.
the keraman na
Level. Iya.
Nabaraway. I want to level this. No, please, can I have the level? Ondo miras, please push it up.
Isa.
Sila may laki. Lingaro sa itong ondo.
Do want to tik, eh?
Kalilebo kalalay, lingaro tanga mundo.
Oh.
Two hand.
Respect.
Yeah.
Iyo.
So from there, he want hand saw.
Henso.
He wants hand saw. No, please, can I have the hand saw? He give the hand saw. 2 hands going up. From there, he saw everything was okay. But there's only one timber
Iyo.
was lefting on the arrow. On top like this. He wants to cut. But the only thing was missing. To mark. He need a pencil.
So,
You know, carpenter's pencil is very small, eh?
The carpenter is very
Yeah, it's very small and mudu-mudu.
Blunt, yeah.
Yeah. Mudu-mudu, it's mucus, eh? So, when the thing was there,
Yeah.
he asking for the pencil. No, can I have the pencil? Down there is the son-in-law. Son-in-law look on the left, look on the right. But the one on top, you know the old foreman, eh?
Yeah.
The old foreman, they hardly wear suit for
the...
But he wear sulbagatonga.
Oh.
Sulbagatonga and
Hey, hello.
TV. From there, and after that they was calling, can I have the pencil? Son-in-law, look down, look everywhere, remove the timber,
The roofing,
remove the roofing, remove everything from there. He didn't see anything.
Ole.
He was looking there, he called Millie Sukonatambua. Hey, Millie,
Iyo.
did you see the pencil?
No.
He
Oh.
asked the Corvo driver,
Iyo.
LM7, and they asked Tiger from Nakini,
Iyo.
aka Jose Navutu. He asked, did you see the pencil? They said, no, I didn't see the pencil. He asking Napoleon Itambuabu, did you see the pencil? He moved everything there. He never see the pencil.
Oh my God.
So when he look up like this to the uncle, he saw the pencil lies on the ears of Momo. Though the pencil is sitting properly in your ear.
Sitting what?
Sitting properly in your ear. Sangkay babiti tako buliturang. Au kiraman dan pinikaw. Asin beranga mo nang kasi may laki. Au su kiraman dan pinikaw do. Wanggang karundo, wale wake del kakil tira se bontu ni reida. Reno ko re ni dingi binaka sortunga indalingay momo na pinikaw. Indo na pinikaw dingi binaka tungango rindalinga muni. Senimber nga mo kami da ko momo. Iyo. O koyango na ukireti ko yadi.
Saka itu angka saya pura-pura.
Odi militar asar tu di sakambita tu natigin yangon.
Angka saya pura-pura kayak ibu desa.
Memang kaya o saninlo. Melangan dengan retan lo sulbatong.
Ayo. Apa isang ge?
Iyo batu ya sona fomani tala leka. Akilo ko sini rongo sare ngamo koira sari do kana kasaya do. Kira man dana pinikaw do asin berangay no koira bangang ray di bongo ray di momo. Ni dingi binakasartungan na pinikaw indalingan. Do na pinikaw nga tong gorin talinga muni. Sinimber nga mo koira. na penikau adingi to ngangor ndalinga muni sinimbera nga ko momo medak iyo ndo o ko ngona ukere atiko yani binabale bupunja celebrating 90 years.
Thank you so much, Rachel Kim's friends.
Bulumina ka asena na banga tinay mo tamay mo kay Lia may nabuwa na itoni be tinay lewa bat kay lewa watalay kina be tabale John Gulirabu.
Bojulum acha story na?
Iya.
Tinay
manu.
Yang ono kona rabada ko na kasado tunongo.
Iya.
Sala ifa mo tiyo kana pen si kanga bindondo.
Sangon nga ni bama dan do bama ta kimraw.
Bama da kimraw. Kukutulang kay ngono chiko. Iya.
Jeda timbiu. Jeda timbiu wani ni minaka manumba kituai. Angona any style ba taxi patkin na kuka ba taxi. Boleh minaka. Nrau may ngunu timanda ili rau imbulang gay wada wana kami dani tingur. Ana tutumbo boleh minaka kalioba petero me krea walenga. Masa tino kami.
Kalioba petero. Zabuga, balelebu.
Iya, daun bulan. Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee tua.
Onisu tu.
Saya Michelle Ravai.
Bruce Lee nga Bruce.
Bruce Lee serangaya, Bruce Lee.
Ndogaraw na.
New South Wales. Mbulsi ito aku.
Iya.
Binabale sa rasema temay na bulan sini uwa.
George Ron William, bule binaka Wex, bule binaka Tambu Autorika, bule remay boy, pangin binaka bule karabi, TG nga bindi. Dom bule binaka katungan di bende na bagay na matang ni kuwa like hata katu siya takatunon da live. Dabi bulang ngoti kina pang nuni binatal tungan na songole ni kena ni bibang nubi.
Gori.
Na singa ni kuang garabi tu may na tulau. Wer na we kanda rangole ni kina le osota pambimbi. Na kena sa uti wono sanga bulu bata na ambaki. Ngai may tawatale na itutu ovaka sauni bono lau na tuilau.
Dol bina sana.
Wani nuna tu na buni songong garabi tu may tumbou na singa ni kuwa. Wani nuna tal tu bikem ni kanda. Oni besi mati mengo na VTFM ni tani morta itu na bengrabi wasini ngora borta Kongo.
Isra mai daru kendaru.
Apa?
Daru kendaru sa boleh bilang lebih kemi ken sarra ni tokan daru bengrabi gosa mutrotani.
Tinay mani bai robbery. Oh, napo koroi ngo naturangan ni nanggain damu.
Napo.
Naturangan ni nanggain damu mai koro basu saray namara maya sawa. Napo robbery.
Ese me robbery amo denal angori. Na beta bodi.
Anro may ngunutin na nabuka na braba. Bula benaka. Makita ro narere tako wai nindilo. Abang dinu benaka ro bengrabi. Na ito kan dari bengrabi?
Isam trotani.
Engon